Welcome to Iceland. We are in the land of ice and fire, and in this video we're going to focus on ice. On our schedule for today, we're going to visit the biggest glacier in Europe and also the one and only Diamond Beach. Feel free to tag along on what we consider the must-dos in Iceland. We started our day early in the morning in south of Iceland in our small Airbnb. To have a clue about prices, this cost 170 euros per night. To save money, follow my romantic cooking recipes. Just tanked the car to full because today we're going to Glacier Lagoon. Sarah's at the gas station getting some hot dogs for the road because we were quite in a hurry today. As you can see, the weather is cloudy as usual. The weather is cloudy, but this won't stop us from exploring. And our first stop before the Glacier Lagoon is the skogafoss. Yesterday we were here, but you couldn't see anything because of the clouds and the mist. We're not going up because we're in a hurry actually. The impressive skogafoss, which means forest waterfall, is 60 meters high and 25 meters wide. You got the sheep just chilling and eating there. It's like a whole curtain of water falling down. Now we're headed to the Glacier Lagoon, so unfortunately we're not going up. I mean, the waterfall is pretty impressive. I've seen many waterfalls, but the Glacier Lagoon is the priority today because it's the first time we're going to experience a glacier lagoon actually. I've seen glaciers in Alaska before, but from afar, from the cruise ship, so I'm pretty excited. 3 hours of road went by so fast because we enjoyed the sightseeing. Between the mountains you can see the well, I think it's like a glacier. It seems like a huge pile of mud. It seems like an entire country of mud coming this way. In Iceland you have a lot of these one-lane bridges, in which 2 lanes from each side needs to wait. Whoever arrives first, I think, goes first. That's how we did it each time. This is a one-lane bridge. Then it opens back to 2 lanes. We've reached the biggest glacier in Europe. My curiosity is at its peak and my inner child is activated. Can I hit the ice? I used to play this every time. Oh, look at that piece of ice moving. I'm going to hit that one. In between. With the arrival of our amphibian boat comes excitement. What starts on land continues into the water as we discover the Glacier Lagoon.
Alright, you may now stand up.
Oh, nice. My first impression felt like being on another planet.
Around 1930, then Vatnajokull Glacier was very close to the bridge and covered all the lagoon. And now today it has retreated for about 9 kilometers, so the distance from the bridge to the edge is 9 kilometers. That has been taking 94 years.
To sum it up, I think this $50 per person tour was really great. You get 35 minutes up close with the glaciers. During this trip, I learned that 90% of the glaciers are underwater and 10% is visible to our eyes. The dark parts on the glaciers are from volcanic events from 100 years ago. My tips for this tour is book in advance and also check the weather before you book. After the Glacier Lagoon tour, we had the most delicious lobster sandwich and lobster soup. This is not even a joke, it's to die for, and I'm allergic. Speaking about taste, be pending for what I'm going to taste next. Welcome to the one and only Diamond Beach. After doing the Glacier Lagoon, we're just on the other side of that bridge to see the ice, all the ices that are being thrown into the sea or on the beach. How do you call this beach? This is my tour guide.
Diamond Beach.
Diamond Beach.
And guess why it's called Diamond?
Because the ice looks like diamond. Maybe she will propose to me today. The ice is as tall as I am.
No, yo me cuando lo están pasando en linga.
I had to do it, sorry. It tastes like
Ice.
ice. A little bit of vodka Red Bull. Boom, perfect. Oh shit, look at the ice going there. Maybe we can take a picture for the thumbnail. Might take a picture for the thumbnail. Llega cerca, llega cerca. Super cool. This is a huge stone. I wonder if these pieces, if they never got to the beach, if they just like keep floating away for a distance. But I think the let us say the stream of the waves will, and the salt maybe would break it off. You see the glaciers coming all the way over there, but also over there where we did the Glacier Lagoon boat tour. Just want to step on an ice, just for the record. I know it's foggy, but it seems like the fog comes from the ice, but I don't know. Just another conspiracy theory. Maybe the ice is melting and the fog comes from the ice. We took a very cool picture on that one. What are you doing?
Getting stones.
She's picking stones, the most beautiful ones. So I have my MAGA hat on. This is the best beach in the world, guys. I bet this is the greatest beach in the world. No other beach has so perfect ice. Let's see if we can make Glacier great again. Promise you vote for me, we stop global warming and none of this ice will be melting in day one that I go into office. I'm trying to leave the glass beach, the Diamond Beach, but she keeps looking at the stones. If you made it this far, thanks for watching and till the next adventure. Bye bye.